What's up everyone, TechCloud here, and in this video I'm going to unbox my new iPad Air 2. And as you can see, the iPad Air 2 has the golden color, and this is the golden version, and this is the 64 GB Wi-Fi only version. The box is pretty similar to the other iPad boxes. So let's open the box and let's see what are the contents included in the box. So here we go, this is the new iPad Air 2. It has the white face and the back is golden. Let's put it on the side and let's see what is included in the box. And as you can see, it has some documentation with the Apple stickers and all. And this is the lightning cable for the sync and charging. And below is the wall charger. And based on your region, you will get different type of pins and different type of wall chargers, but it will have the same rating. So let's put everything on the side and let's look at the device itself. So here it is, and let me remove this plastic so that we can have a closer look of the device. So that's how the golden color looks like from the back. This is a very nice shade and looks very good on the metal. Now the back camera has 8 megapixel. Next to the camera is the microphone, and there is another microphone on the left hand side as well. On the right you have the volume rocker, which is pretty similar to iPhone 6 and 6 Plus volume rocker. And once again you can see the second microphone above that volume rocker. And on the top you have the power button and the 3.5mm headphone jack. And on the left hand side you have nothing at all. And at the bottom you have the lightning port connection for the charging and the data sync, and you have the stereo speakers at the bottom. On the front you have the front facing camera at the top, and at the bottom you have the home button. And now the home button is also a fingerprint sensor. You can use the Apple Pay, you can use the fingerprint sensor to unlock your device, and also for App Store purchases. Let's turn it on and let's see how much juice it has. Here you can see the iOS 8 startup screen, which has a white background instead of the black background on iOS 7. My iPad Air is still running the iOS 7 and I haven't updated it yet. So this is the welcome screen. Let's run through the setup. English is the language, and now I'm going to select United States as a country because I'm going to use the United States App Store, the US App Store. And let's connect the Wi-Fi. I have already input the Wi-Fi password. Now it is connecting to the internet. Now it is going to ask me whether I want to turn on the location or not. I'm going to turn on the location and I'm going to set up as new iPad. That's how I do with all of my devices. And now I'm going to sign in to my Apple ID. As soon as I sign in my Apple ID, these terms and conditions show up and I have to press agree. Obviously I have to press agree, otherwise it won't go forward. Whether you want to use the iCloud or not, it's your own preference, and I use the iCloud, so I'm going to select use iCloud. Now press next. So from my iCloud account, it has already retrieved this information, showing me the phone numbers and the email addresses that will be used for the iMessage and the FaceTime. So people can contact me through these emails and the phone numbers for iMessages and FaceTime. Now you need to set up your Touch ID, and you need to place your thumb again and again on the sensor. It doesn't have to be thumb, you can use any finger, and press continue, and again keep on changing the grip and keep on touching your thumb on the sensor. When it is done recording, you have to press continue, and you have to choose your passcode in case the fingerprint does not work. If you want to use the Touch ID for iTunes and App Store purchases, you can select here. If you don't want to, then select accordingly. And if you want to set up Apple Pay, then you can set up here, or you can skip it for some time later. I'm going to skip it. You can also choose to use the iCloud keychain, as you can see here. If you have set up another device with the iCloud keychain, you can use that device to authorize this iPad, or you can use the iCloud security code to turn it on. Or third option is, if you don't want to use the iCloud keychain, so you can choose the third option. I'm going to use the security code to set up the iCloud keychain. You can turn on and off Siri, and you can turn on and off diagnostic information that you want to send to Apple or not. So here it is. This is the home screen. Very familiar look exactly like my older iPad Air, but of course it has some newer features like the better camera, the fingerprint sensor, much better processor, and the GPU. It has an extra gigabyte of RAM, so now it has 2 GB of RAM instead of 1 GB, and it has a 3-core processor and 8-core GPU. So Apple is currently working on a principle that why change something or fix something if it is working great, and the iPad at the moment is still the best tablet in the market. Of course, we as consumers want more, but for that the competition has to speed up. You can check out the speed, you can check out the scrolling, you can witness the overall fluidity of the iOS. Yes, it does not look that great. I mean, the home screen, it is just a bunch of icons, and it might not look as good as the Android Lollipop on the Nexus 9, but it works. Not only the hardware is great, but also the app and game and the whole ecosystem is really good for this particular tablet and making it the #1 tablet on the market. Let's launch the Verge website, and you will witness that not only the scrolling works great, there is no checkerboard pattern, and also the pinch to zoom work excellently. This was not the case on Nexus 9. It's not only about the games, and you can argue that the games will be optimized for the Nexus 9 in the coming months, but this is not only the case. Even the built-in apps which are supposed to be optimized, such as the Chrome, it does not work as good as or as smooth as the Safari. Of course, the Chrome has some additional features, but when it comes to the performance, the Safari still beats the Chrome. Yes, the Android Lollipop is great, and this is the most beautiful thing that I have seen as far as the Android is concerned. But the OS alone is not everything. It requires the apps and the ecosystem. How much more time Google needs to build that? As you can see, it works great. So guys, I hope that you have liked the video. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more videos like that. And if you have liked the video, make sure you press the thumbs up button at the bottom of this video. Take care. See you. Bye.